Hello, gardeners! Whether you're planting bush beans or pole beans, getting the basics right is key to a successful harvest. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential planting requirements, from soil to sunlight to watering. And if you're growing pole beans, we'll share some important tips on staking to help your plants grow strong. Beans love rich, well-drained soil with a slightly acidic pH of 6.0 to 6.8. Make sure your soil is loose and fertile to promote good root growth. Both bush and pole beans thrive in full sun, so choose a spot that gets 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Beans need consistent watering, especially when they start to flower. Keep the soil evenly moist, providing about 1 inch of water per week. Avoid overwatering, as beans don't like soggy soil. Now, if you're growing pole beans, staking is essential right from the start. Set up your support system, whether it's a trellis, stakes, or a fence, at the time of planting. Pole beans are vigorous climbers and can grow up to 10 feet tall, so giving them something to climb ensures a healthy, productive plant. With the right soil, sunlight, water, and support for your pole beans, you're setting yourself up for a great harvest. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy planting!